kind of feedback about this national level competition on CAD modeling? Anybody? It's the time to speak. Say a few words. Yeah.
I'm Vijay Kumar from Hyderabad. Actually, I don't know about NXCAD recently. So I had first time NXCAD with the SAE competition through the mail, and our mentor said that you can join in that and participate. How will be the competition and what will be the learning stages? You can learn from there, and also I'm first time using this NXCAD, so it is. I'm feeling like a little bit high. Means from the zero knowledge to at least 10-20% I have achieved. I'm very happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I am also so I like to learn.
You are from which college? Studying second year or third year? Second year. Good. So the distinct advantage of attending the competition is, it's not like competition. It's a kind of training, come evaluating how much you trained, right? This is where we are apart from other kind of competitions, right? Whatever the competitions we are conducting from Society of Automotive Engineers, other section is, we used to train the students, right? The kind of knowledge sharing, the trainee or the instructor is normally a high profile industrialist. Here we are having a master in CAD modeling, Mr. Armstrong. He is a highly proficient as a design engineer, having more than 15-20 years experience in TAFE, right? So that knowledge sharing, what the industrial practice is, normally how it is different from the other CAD center training kind of, right? They will train you about the software and the modeling, the drafting and all, right? But here we teach you the design. There is a huge difference is there, right? Whatever you learn here, the GD&T and all, everything is what the industrial persons expect from you, right? So this is the key advantage of learning here, right? Not only CAD modeling, we are conducting national competitions like finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, right? Even we have competitions for material selection, right? Apart from that, we have some challenges like development of bicycle design, electric two-wheeler competitions, electric four-wheeler competitions, right? Aero forum we are having, Society of Automotive Engineers. So, right? So from the scratch, how the engineer will design and develop his own vehicle like bicycle or two-wheeler. For that, you must have the design knowledge, analysis, right? Those are the fundamentals what the industrial requirements are. So if you have the right skill, definitely you can get the placement, right? So skill is the one where the students are lagging. Well, we used to say, right, bridging the gap between academics and industry, right? The difference is the skill. The skill can be acquired by practicing with the proper guidance, correct guidance. So we provide you the guidance, right? We give you some time to practice and hear about it. So these competitions, the final event is nothing, right? Just to boost up, right? The participation is key. So first of all, a thumbs up for participating, right? I take this opportunity to invite you to attend more number of events what we are organizing, right? We all know, you know, we are all SAE volunteers, right? You all are saying, I am also volunteer, right? Right? Fine. You attend more number of events, right? Part of the SAE, so that we can develop, we can grow together. Okay? Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Sakare Pandi from ZF Commercial Vehicle Department. He is working in R&D, a design engineer.
Thank you for the opportunity. for the past 2 days. I think thank you SAE team also. As Sir said, this event, designed not only for the fluency of software, it also, teaching you many things which is required by today industry. Like drawing reading, that is very important. If you go any CAD center or any other center, you will not get it such kind of knowledge. But this event made according to that. Definitely it is a best experience you are getting, I can say that. So apart from that, the design engineer, what are the skills required mainly about the drawing knowledge as well as designing the component, and other things are mentioned in the drawing. So those are covered in the event. So this is really amazing, and also the really so all the best. So I think this will definitely help you for your future. So thank you all.
Yeah. It's a token of appreciation from SAEINDIA Southern Section. To Pon Murugaraj, who was the judge for yesterday. Okay, thank you. Please hand over this to Now go for the final prize announcement. Are you happy about your performance? Yes. Yes. Yeah, how can you say? Next time you will do better. Okay. So what was the problem? You could able to complete 153 videos, but code E, many of you have not completed, right? From code E onwards, problem starts. Huh? Okay, now you know where is the gap. Okay, try to practice. Give me one more minute. I request Dr. Starwin and Sakrai Pandey to hand over the participation certificate. First I will call your names and come. Satish Krishnan P. A.R. Arivaragan. Tarun S.S. Valentin B. Jagat Kishore. T. Sanjay. Anish Paula.
Sir, which are the longer? Yes.
Nishant N.S. Satish, yes. Vikram ji. Rishi Prasad SJ. Vijay Kumar U. Sai Kiran. Deepak S. Samit Kumaran. Keerthan. Okay, there are 4 workshop participation certificate. Muhammad Akil. They have attended online. Keerthan. Vijay Kumar U. Sai Kiran. Okay. Now we are going to announce the prizes. Okay. First, second, third prize. Third prize goes to Satish Krishna. He has scored out of 2000 marks, 1292 marks. You received a certificate. Second prize goes to Deepak S. First prize goes to Tamil Kumaran. Okay, everybody can come here for a group photo. Complete the feedback.